In this video, I'll show you how to publish a Lovable AI app. First, sign into your Lovable account and open the app you've been working on. Next, review your app and make sure everything is working correctly. Test the pages, forms, buttons, and any integrations you've added. After that, look for the Publish button in the top area of the editor and click it. Now, Lovable will prepare your app for deployment. Follow any prompts that appear and review the publishing settings. Next, choose whether you want to use the default Lovable domain or connect your own custom domain if that option is available. After that, confirm the publishing process and wait for Lovable to deploy your app. Now, once the deployment is complete, Lovable will provide a live URL for your application. Next, open the URL and test your app one more time to make sure everything is working properly in the live version. Finally, share the link with your users, clients, or team members so they can start using your app. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to publish a Lovable AI app. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.